Eating a heart-healthy diet is important for maintaining a healthy lifestyle, but it can seem overwhelming to make changes to your diet. That's why we've compiled a list of 5 simple tips to help you get started on your heart-healthy journey. Tip 1. Incorporate a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your diet. These types of foods are packed with antioxidants and nutrients that can help protect against heart disease. Tip 2. Choose heart-healthy fats like olive oil or avocado oil when cooking. These types of fats can help lower cholesterol and improve heart health. Tip 3. Swap out refined grains for whole grains. Whole grains are a great source of fiber and have been shown to lower the risk of heart disease. Tip 4. Limit your intake of processed and packaged foods. These types of foods are often high in unhealthy ingredients like added sugars and unhealthy fats. Tip 5. Choose lean protein sources like chicken, turkey, and fish. These types of proteins are lower in saturated fat and can help improve heart health. By incorporating these simple tips into your diet, you can make a big impact on your overall heart health. So don't be afraid to make small changes. Your heart and your body will thank you.